Hey subscribers, welcome to my channel Prismavisuals. Today, we're going to learn how to create an object broken animation video using physics. Let's get started. First, open the Prisma3d app, then add a cube and extend it. Then, add a 3D bullet, make it smaller, and then animate it. Then, you need to add a customized Prisma3d logo. You can download its link from the description. Afterward, place the logo where the bullet passes. After this, you need to select physics for the Prisma3d logo. Set its motion to 1, and then select physics for the bullet and choose static. After this, apply an animation layer to the Prisma3d logo. Then, animate it up to the point where the bullet touches the logo. Alright guys, this is final result. If you learned even a little something from this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.